anchovy. Me da know with 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 anchovy. Me da know. I don't know what. Me da know. I'm hungry. Me da know. Me da know. Let's cook. Let's cook. Let's cook. Me da know. Me da know with anchovy. Me da know with anchovy.
Vinegar, any sort of vinegar, distilled vinegar, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So I'll start by putting in my onion, half a medium size of onions. This is curly parsley. Now if you don't have curly parsley, go for coriander leaves. Actually, that's my first choice, but because I don't have any, fish goes very well with coriander leaves or parsley leaves, so this would work. A very generous amount of fresh ginger, shrimp cube. This is optional though, but I like to have it in it. Scotch bonnets. You can either reduce the amount or add more. Now for the bell peppers, just for its beautiful aroma. Red bell peppers. If you have yellow bell peppers, you can mix it all up. And some cloves of garlic. Now this is coriander seed powder. So you can either use the coriander seed itself, or if you have the powder added to it, gives it a very, very beautiful aroma. I already added some smoked paprika. You all know what smoked paprika does, just to give the smoky effect. And then I added some ground coriander seed. So if you don't have ground coriander seeds, you can just add the whole coriander seeds. I also added some white wine vinegar. So if you don't have a white wine vinegar, you can use apple cider vinegar. I added some cloves. Now I'm adding some grains of Selim, or Negro pepper, and African nutmeg or Calabash nutmeg. I added some olive oil earlier, but it's not enough, so I'm adding a little bit more. Generous amount of olive oil. And to that, I'm just going to add a little amount of sea salt.
I'll blend this into a textured consistency because I don't want it too smooth. Meanwhile, let me introduce you to one of my most favorite kitchen appliances, the Nutri Bullet. I use it for my smoothies and small marinades like this. I'm working on my Amazon storefront, so I'll be introducing you to all my favorite kitchen utensils, tools, things I use for my videos, you know, so just watch out for it.
No, I don't want it too smooth, so I'm just gonna blend it. Consistency. Yeah, I think I'm okay with the consistency, so here I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the marinade here. And grease it just so that the fish doesn't stick on it. At this point, preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. My oven is fan assisted. Now make very generous deep incisions into the fish.
Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more oil to my marinade. If you're new here, thanks for passing through. I hope you consider subscribing for more cooking tips and videos such as this. And to my subscribers, thank you so much.
Mind you, you can use any oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. Around it. You literally want the marinade to go everywhere. Be very generous with the marinades.
I'll now turn it over and apply the marinades just the same way, generously, you know, in, around, everywhere. Bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, gas mark 6 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes.
So we grilled it for the first 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Just gonna add more marinade. Then I'm gonna gently, because I don't want to break it, gently flip it over. Yay! Add more. Sure it goes to all the relevant places. Oh.
Without your feet, need I know 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 without your feet, need I know. I don't know why, need I know. I'm hungry, need I know. Need I know. Let's cook, let's cook, let's cook. Need I know. Need I know. Without your
Hope you enjoyed our video. I want say a big thank you to all our followers for their support. If you're not subscribed to us yet, please do subscribe and click the notification button. And also follow us on our social media platforms, Midanu with Ajovi on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Stay blessed.
Let's cook.